Namaste people. So in this video we're going to check out what some arithmetic functions or operations with NumPy arrays are. So let's import NumPy first. Import NumPy as np. And then we can create an array arr equal to np.arrange. We'll create it using arrange 0 to 10. Right. So this is our array. What if we add something to it? So let's say array plus array. You can see the values get added. Similarly, array minus array, it will be all zeros. If we are adding two arrays, right? If let's say we are making it to the power 2 exponential function, so all of these will get broadcasted. The function, this will get always broadcasted to every value, each and every single value in the array. Alright, so we can also do array by array, but this will give an error. I'm telling you beforehand, and you'll see why. So all of these are 1 1 1, which makes sense. You are dividing it by itself, but here it is NaN. Why is it? Because 0 by 0 is actually not will never give a value. It will always give NaN. Alright, so we can do ARR into ARR as well. Similarly, so that will multiply. So again, that will actually just giving the square. We can also do 1 by ARR and all of these functions as well. Again, this will give infinity because 1 by 0 will be infinity. Alright. We can do it to the power of anything, not just 2. We can do it to the power 4 as well. Alright. And then there are some other methods for arithmetic and some other expressions. For example, we can take a square root as well of all the values in an array. So arr.sqrt is the function name. And then you can put in the parentheses the name of the array. As you can see, we'll take the square root of all those values. We can also take the exponent of those values. So np.exp, then in the pandas arr. Again, this is easy. np.max is another function which does the same as arr.max. So we'll get the maximum value from this array. np.minimum also works the same way. Right? There is also a function for sine, cosine, tan, log. For example, np.sine of arr, then np.log of arr, right? So there are many values. Again, this log of 0 is minus infinity, as you know. So we can have so many functions. You can check out them in NumPy you can check out the docs for NumPy, and it is a very nice library which has so many functions. You might not use all of these functions all of the time, but whenever you need, you can just refer the docs. Those are also very well written and very well published. So that is all for NumPy. Let us move on to Pandas now, and see you next time.